Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add or remove a password in PowerPoint presentation. Yes, this is used for secure your PowerPoint presentation while you are presenting something else. You want to protect your PowerPoint document, and when you want you can use your password and open. In this video I would like to share how to add or remove PowerPoint presentation password. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open my official or my project PowerPoint presentation. So this is my PowerPoint presentation. It's contained 4 slides, so which has a chart and a table, everything will be available. So this one I would like to present tomorrow morning, so with the options. So now I would like to protect this PowerPoint presentation. While I present, that time only it will be open. So how to protect your PowerPoint presentation? So just to go to file menu and hit the button called info, that is information. So while you select info, automatically protect presentation will be available. So just to hit the button, automatically it will ask you encrypt with password. Just to hit the button encrypt with password, automatically it will ask you the password. For example, I'm giving 123. So for the password, so I would like to lock my presentation. I just click OK. So again it will ask you what is the password, 123. I just type 123 and just click OK. So password protected. Protect presentation will be yellow because I have added the password so that my presentation will be locked over here. So I just go back and save my presentation. So I just close the presentation. Yes, now I would like to open the presentation. So in documents, so I have HowXT documents is here. I just open the HowXT documents. So once I open the documents, my documents will not open because enter the open file the password. So while I use different kind of password, it won't open because it's not right password. So I need to give the correct password, only I can able to open the PowerPoint presentation. I give 123. So once I click OK, automatically my presentation will be open here. So this is a easy step. You can able to create your college or school or any other document with your protection, so that while you are presenting, that time only you can able to use your password open and you can able to present to your audience. Yes, now I would like to show you how to remove the password. So already I told you how to insert the password. So I would like to remove the password. Same thing, just to go to the file menu, automatically the info option will be there. The yellow button will be there because your PowerPoint is protected. Just to click the button, automatically you will ask you the encryption with password. Just hit the button, automatically the password will be displayed over here. So just delete the password and click OK. So once you click OK, automatically just save the documents. So again, just close the document and open HowXT document. So without any password, you can able to open your PowerPoint presentation. So this is a easy step. You can able to protect your documents with the password. Otherwise you can able to remove the password while you finish your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.